Come and plant with me today. Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Pink Orchid. Come and plant with me today. Oh, this is heavy. I'm going to plant some wildflower for hummingbird and butterfly, and wildflower for California native. It's a mixture that I got it from Home Depot a few days ago. And today I wanted just to plant some. It's good weather today, and I'm home right now because it's my 1 week post-op that I just had parathyroid surgery, and I thought I feel a little bit better to be out here. Okay, let's see. Elizabeth. I have some tulip also that I bought it during Easter, and I wanted to replant them later today. It should come back. I got this from Trader Joe. Okay, let's do the wildflower. The wildflower one. I wanted to make it for my bird, so I can have a lot of bird visit my backyard. So this one done. So I'm gonna do the other one. My tulip. It's nice to be home today. I really don't have much to do. I just resting a lot. I want my surgery to be better, so I protect myself. My band is still on, so hopefully maybe in a few days it will fall off, and hopefully my scar is not bad. I bought some I don't know what you call it, the band-aid to cover them. So this is the hummingbird one. I love hummingbird. So hopefully this is good. And I will show you hopefully what I have it within a month. So this is done. It's done. So I did wildflower, hummingbird, and then some tulip. Let's look around my backyard. Elizabeth. Hello there. So I can lift more than 20 pounds according to my surgeon. So that's why I gonna have someone clean up after me. Sorry for the mess. But so far, this is what I have. This is my, I'm gonna go look at my other plant here. Oh, need to change. This is my bird garden. Green onion. I think this is not lime leaf, lemongrass. And this is the lime leaf. Star jasmine. And this is just a regular jasmine, Arabian jasmine. Another lime leaf that I use to cook some soup sometime. And looking good. My other jasmine is coming back. This one I just planted right now today. In my hand right now, I'm done. Can't stay out too long. It was super kind of hot today. I think it's gonna be like high 80. And it's almost 3, or actually it's 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Today is Thursday. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for visiting me and watch my video today. I hope you enjoyed this short video and I hope you come back and see me on my next video. Please hit subscribe button. I love you all. Thank you for supporting me.